This is Darshana Gochan with your daily update for February 23rd, 2026. We start with a quick look at regional markets. Asian stocks rose while the dollar fell on Monday after the U.S. Supreme Court struck down a large part of U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff policy that sent shockwaves through the global economy last year. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index rose 2.5%, South Korea's Kospi closed at a record high, Taiwan's TAIEX added nearly 2%. Singapore's FTSE Straits Times Index notched its second successive intraday record. Mainland Chinese and Japanese stock markets were shut for holidays. Zooming in on Cambodia's market, the Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 1.38 points or 0.32% to 426.02. Total trade volume was up with 93,047 shares changing hands at a total value of 516.1 million real or over $129,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up, led by Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, while 2 stocks were down, with CAMGSM as the biggest loser of the day. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering and Picasso City Gardens stayed flat, while JS Land was down. Shifting to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real strengthened to 4,017 Real per US dollar, while the US dollar index fell slightly to 97.65. Turning to global commodities, oil prices fell about 1% on Monday as the US and Iran prepared for a third round of nuclear talks, easing fears of an escalating conflict. Brent crude futures were trading around $71 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude futures were at $65.75 a barrel. Gold prices rose over 1% to a 3-week high. Spot gold was up 0.9% to $5,146.89 per ounce. U.S. gold futures for April delivery were up 1.7% at $5,167.90. Looking at the crypto market, Bitcoin rebounded from $64,400 to above $66,000. The move higher comes amid continued uncertainty surrounding President Trump's proposed tariffs and U.S. tensions with Iran, factors that have weighed on broader risk sentiment. Moving on now to other business-related news. The National Bank of Cambodia officially announced on February 23rd that Panda Commercial Bank PLC's license has been terminated, and local audit company Morrison Cook and Associates will be overseeing the bank's liquidation process. Panda Commercial Bank is now suspended from providing any banking services, including accepting deposits and issuing new loans. Morrison Cook and Associates previously also oversaw the liquidation of Prince Bank. Électricité de France, the French state-owned energy giant, has announced its intention to invest in a major 800-megawatt hydropower project in Cambodia with total capital investment exceeding $1.2 billion. This announcement was made during a meeting between His Excellency Vongse Visot and a visiting delegation from the EDF. The Indian Embassy in Phnom Penh and the Cambodian Association of Travel Agents convened a high-level meeting on February 20th to aggressively expand tourism and travel trade between the two nations. The meeting brought together a powerhouse of government officials and private sector leaders, with a central pillar of the discussions focused on India's Buddhist circuit. That's all for today's update. This was Darshana Gochan for B2B Asia News.